Hi, this is what I call I have a dream project inspired by madness, curiosity. I can do this. Ideas, and all those were all in my mind about 2 to 3 years ago. Actually, 3 years ago. So, this is what I have managed to achieve, and this is my best plant, one of my best plants called rosemary. It's versatile. It has so many uses. I've used rosemary in the kitchen for a while. It's very good in marinating of meat. And Kenyans, we love meat. There's meat all over. Wherever you go, there will be meat. Choma, choma everywhere. And rosemary does give you that oomph when you're making beef. That's what inspired me to start this. And here I am. So I'm thinking, let me just give you a few tips, or I tell you how the journey was or what it has been, and this far I have come. One of the things that you need to ask yourself is, why are you planting rosemary? Is it for home use? Is it for commercial purposes? And if so, that will guide you on what kind of farming to do. The other thing that I had to factor in is weeds. Rosemary doesn't grow very fast. It takes about a year for you to be able to see there is a plant. There is a plant with 3 or 4 shoots. That is if you're not watering. Instead of having people coming in to weed all year round, I decided to intercrop. If I found any diseases, which probably would have been what? Spider mites, powdery mildew, I just spray a mix of milk and bicarbonate soda. More than that, I just leave it to nature. Once the rains come, everything just washes off, and the plant just starts thriving again. I was crazy enough to even go for classes on how to dehydrate rosemary or herbs. Kirdi is the department in the Ministry of Agriculture, and they train on how to do value addition of products. I was there for about 2 weeks. Um, and yes, it was quite interesting. They taught me how to meet the required health standards, and how do you also go into marketing and selling of your product. I didn't go that far because my interest was, how do I add value, which is how do I dehydrate, how do I preserve, and then the next step was to come much later. If you're taking your rosemary to a supermarket or to the market, this is what they would be looking at. You would be using your hand to measure the size so that you have soft, and it has lots of juices. So you would measure your arm length, your hand length, up to there, and cut. And this is what now you'll be selling in the supermarket or in the market. So for those who are doing marination of meat, and other uses in the kitchen, you would be making some delicious, very nice tea. Flat sijazoea. Tutakunywa sisi wote.
Tutakunywa tu.
You know, I've kuja tukunywe chai. Kuja
So
tukunywe
is
chai.
here to drink tea.
Yes.
Okay. This is my first time tasting this. Me, I want to experience. I wish I had
You get hooked up.
Alafu nitakuwa nakujia kila jioni.
Just make sure you show up. Just show up. That's all I need you to do. Show up. There will be some rosemary
So
tea.
I can smell the rosemary for sure. And the tea leaves here. I can't smell the ginger.
So now, tell me.
Okay, I can drink this. Because I don't even drink Nini tea that has milk.
Oh, you don't?
No.
Oh, there you go. I didn't. Well, it didn't occur to me that you
Oh,
don't
this
take
is
milk.
so tasty.
Can you taste ginger? Can
Yes,
you
I
feel
can
some
feel it here.
tingling inside there? That's ginger. If you don't smell it, then you feel the
You
tingling.
taste
If you
it,
feel
yes,
the
you
tingling,
feel-
then just know
I
that's
can
ginger.
feel it here, the way I usually feel when I take a dawa.
Yes, so that's ginger for you. So this is good for you.
Okay. Thank you. Bon apple tea. Oh, this is so tasty.
And this is how we do it in Limuru. You hold the cup to keep you warm.
Oh, yes.
So next time I'll get the biggest mug ever.
Oh, this is so good.
For real,
Oh,
for real.
I should make this
real.
for my mom. She would love it.
Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for sharing the tea with me. Let me know what it tastes like. Love it? Like it? Then subscribe. Bonyeza. They said bonyeza kidude.
Ding, 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 ding.
Yeah. Even more. You can interact and share. Let me know what you think. Give me your thoughts. Send your comments. Flow them in. I'll respond. Cheers. Bye-bye.